Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Mariah binti Nur Sidi and my metric number is A19A0264. First of all, I would like to present about the business structure, the board of director background and position. For the business structure, Mr. Amran bin Alida intends to open Pets Kingdom in downtown Tawau and will expand it more widely in the coming years to fulfill their business vision. He has conducted industry research and has concluded that there are many businesses that fail before they start, which is due to the weak business structure they are built upon. The board of director background is Mr. Amran bin Alida is the director of Pets Kingdom. He is 33 years old and has skills in communication, have a good leadership skills, and can work in a team. He is assisted by a Pet Kingdom's manager named Rian NG. He is also 33 years old and has a good skills in the business of growing Pets Kingdom. Next, the business format and types of product or services that the business run. Pets Kingdom is a small and medium enterprise located in downtown Tawau. Pets Kingdom has provided the best information by creating their own catalog to allow customers to make quick decisions for their optimal purchasing experience. At the same time, Pets Kingdom also uses a visual platform for advertisers to use their websites to increase their own online presence. For the type of merchandise that the business offer, Pet Kingdom has offered a wide range of pet products as well as pet diets, supplements, and accessories. Most pet stores include food, cages, toys, and even cots and boats on their shelves. To ensure their sales revenue exceeds their expenses, pet store owners calculate the average cost of each item as well as their rent, utilities, insurance, and other operating expenses. Then price their goods and services to offset their investment. In addition, grooming, behavior training, and pet sitting are all common services that are run by Pets Kingdom. Shot and spay clinics are frequently included in a pet store service, and they provide low-cost immunizations and veterinary treatment. Pet retail business like Pets Kingdom occasionally provide mobile grooming and online first aid for cats and dogs. The type of target market. The type of target market used by Pet Kingdoms is called concentrated marketing. Concentrated marketing is a marketing strategy in which a company focuses on a specific target market group for most or all of its marketing initiatives. At Pets Kingdom, they are more focused on pet owners and what the pet owner needs for their pet. There are various races who love to come to Pets Kingdom to buy the necessities for their pets, such as cat cage, cat or dog toiletries, food, accessories, and more.
My name is Alwanina Zura binti Tahang. My metric number is A19A0040. I would like to talk about the segmentation strategies and the job descriptions. There are 4 types of segmentation strategies, which is demographic, psychographic, behavioral, and geographic segmentations. For the demographic segmentation, Pets Kingdom focused on all the characteristics of demographic segmentations. Because families dynamic evolves, so do its want and desire family makeup can be useful in segmentations. This has a significant impact on their purchasing behavior and the Pets Kingdom sales process. Next, for the psychographic segmentation, products such as animal foods and supplements have a specific target audience, which is families and new parents. These divisions can be further classified based on consumer preference and the many application of Pets Kingdom's products. Pets Kingdom also sells personalized pet accessories, and they quickly attract to the upper class consumer with high purchasing power. For behavioral segmentations, the most loyal consumers of Pets Kingdom produce the majority of their revenue. Pets Kingdom also determining which actions along of the customer journey are critical markers of loyalty. Lastly, for the geographic segmentation, food preference have shifted dramatically as the region has changed. Tawau has a steady supply of supplements and animal foods on both the east and west coast, which are marketed all year. Regions such as Tawau, particularly Pets Kingdom, will concentrate on marketing their products solely in Tawau. Job description is a statement that provides the detail of a certain job or positions inside a corporations. There are several of buyer's duties and responsible, such as understanding the target market and analyzing trends in order to make informed buying decisions, determining the organization's buying requirements, conducting research, choosing and acquiring high-quality items and materials, establishing relationship with suppliers and negotiating the best pricing, quantity and delivering time frames with them, processing required sessions, and informing management to order status, inventory updates and stock management, organizing good transportation and tracking orders to ensure timely delivery, collaboration between the inventory team, management and the stock room, and monitoring stock quality and reporting any deviations to suppliers and managements. For the assistant buyer, collaborate directly with the vendors and market developments. Key responsibilities include prior experience in the merchandising or retail industry is preferred, outstanding interpersonal communication and negotiating abilities, analytical and organizational abilities that are second to none, the ability to multitask and perform well under duress. Extensive knowledge with merchandising software systems is preferred. Microsoft Office proficiency, assisting the buyer with the selection of the right product mix, ensuring product purchase at the right time to specifications and at a good price, and preparing competitive retail and price strategy.
Hi, my name is Nurul Hashirah binti Muhammad Asnul, and my matric number is A19A0741. So I will continue our present with sales forecast in a period of 1 year. Here is Pet Kingdom sales forecast for 1 year. Okay, as you can see, this is how Pet Kingdom calculate their stock turnover. Next is how Pet Kingdoms conduct their merchandise plan. Firstly, they make a great impression all the time. Pet Kingdom believe that treat people or customer very sincerely. The way you treat people in business life is an important part of your professional and personal brand, and is integral to marketing your business or their pet shop business. Number 2 is market pet shop locally and online. They are using blogs to start a pet shop blog to determine customer needs and educate them about their product and services. Number 2 is business listing sites, including their pet shop on business listing site to gain exposure, to gain customer. Number 3 is social media. Everyone use social media. Number 4 is email newsletter. They create a monthly newsletter that can be emailed to customer. Their newsletter can include various sections such as existing and new product and services, as well as special event, holiday and sales. Okay, number 3, they are become the go-to pet expert. To starting a Pet Kingdom pet shop has many advantages to their shop. Generally, merchandise store that carry pet products. One has the freedom to choose unique product and supplies. For example, of item to consider include natural pet food and pet care products, as well as items that solve problems such as pet food in variety brand from cheap to expensive but still healthy for pet, customers have many choice to choose with their ability. The last one is they get involved in the community. They always get involved and donate their time, not just as part of their pet shop marketing plan, but because they genuinely care and want to help others. They might consider orchestrating or at least helping with pet rescue and shelters, community cleans up, or becoming involved in local school groups, charity, and other organizations through which they can establish relationship with others in their area.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nuratika Sharifah binti Afidin and my metric number is A1NA0537. So I will continue to present about how to conduct merchandise assortment plan, merchandise classification, and how to prepare assortment plan. So starting with how to conduct merchandise assortment plan, the first is start with setting goals. Pets Kingdom begin by asking what they hope to get out of the exercise. Goal setting will help the team alliance stay accountable and measure progress. Next is understand product hierarchy. Before selecting the product assortment, Pets Kingdom identify the different consumer decision trees present within a category. Simply put, a consumer decision tree is a graphical record of the tough process that any shopper goes through when selecting a product in a category such as cat food, accessory, and supplement. Next is cross-merchandise. Cross-merchandising is a tactic that category managers use to drive additional in-store sales. Same goes to Pets Kingdom. It is a transaction building strategy and focus on increasing the size of the average basket. Next is merchandise classification. The first is convenience goods. Convenience goods includes cat equipment, cat food, magazines or newspapers, cleaning products, and personal hygiene product or refreshment like ice cream, cold drinks, and etc. To give a brief understanding of convenience goods, they are consumer items that can be accessed widely and easily and frequently purchased with minimal shopping effort. Next is impulse goods. Impulse goods are low price items so that customers can buy them without a second thought. However, these items can be a great source of extra profit for retailers. They can also create awareness for buyers of the various merchandise that your store offers. Third is how to prepare assortment plan. First, brand strategy, whether in preparation to shop the market or to develop your own product line. Developing your brand strategy prior to assortment planning is crucial. Merchandising and product development must play into the brand strategy. What does the brand represent? What are the current customers? What are they currently buying? Who is the target market? What do they want and need from you? Who is the competition? What makes you different from your competition? We can all name brands that have faltered because their strategy was dilute and or execution was poor. Next is business model. If you have a scarcity business model, a fast fashion business model, or even a class out business model, the content and price of your assortment are much more important than controlling its size. Your business model is designed to turn fast and fulfillment is not as important. In fact, running out of merchandise is part of the model and creates future demand. If your model is more traditional and fulfillment is important, then the size and flow of your assortment may be as important as the content. Last is market trends. No one has a perfect crystal ball, but current market trends and potential future market trends must be taken into account. This is very qualitative versus the next factor, which is fairly quantitative. Some brands must even create their own market trends because they are the leader in their category. This still must be done based on current potential future customer trends, wants and needs. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Syarul Nizam bin Amran. I want to present about challenge in the buying process and promotional strategies. First of the challenge in the buying process is unexpected price increase. Because demand is outstripping supply in many regions, there are some very conventional price hikes regarding warehouse lease and last mile deliveries at the same time. Tariffs raise the cost of goods and raw materials for many manufacturers and online business. If the owner wants to appeal to a younger audience, he will have to pay more for advertising. Next, the product is not on time to reach the business premise. Product purchased from suppliers are delivered not on time will result in a business which will experience a shortage of goods to sell to customer, which can cause customer to go to other store to buy them. This can result in the business experiencing decline in making a profit to cover the operating cost of the business and obtain new products to the sold in the store offered to customer. For the first of the promotional strategy is sales coupon and promotion to boost sales. Discount abound and consumer adore them. Sales, whether in the form of a coupon or a promotion, may be an excellent illustration of a product inbound marketing approach. Inbound sale, on the other hand, strive for more than simply a transaction when it comes to inbound or pull marketing. It should be a long-term committed relationship rather than a one night stand. Next, explore the power of social media. Companies may use social media platforms like Facebook and Google Plus to market their product and service in a more casual setting. This is the pinnacle of direct marketing. Social media connect with a global audience of potential clients who may have a different viewpoint on your business. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aida Nadirah Pentil Kabil and my metric number is A190019. Okay, now I present my patch, which is about one existing competitor and description of the competitor. Okay, JJ Pet Shop is one of the most powerful competitors in the Pet Kingdom business environment. JJ Pet Shop is close to Pet Kingdom and is located in Buntusun, Sabah. However, there are no issue with these two enterprises, nor is there any competition. These two companies sold products which differ slightly. JJ Pet Shop is a pet business that sells a variety of animal products such as cat food, dogs, bird, aquatics, reptiles, and animal accessory. According in their Facebook page, the business is open from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. and they have social media like Facebook, Instagram, website, and others. Okay, JJ Pet Shop price range from Rm4 ringgit 30 to 300 depending on type of goods category. Okay, for the next slide is about compete with the competitor based on the product price, place, or distribution and promotion strategy. Okay, products supplied by Pet Kingdoms are of higher quality than those sold by JJ Pet Shop and others. Pet Kingdom also offer cat hotels to keep stray cats or animals that need to be cared for. This service is designed for clients and is more appealing to customers because there is still no cat motel service in the neighborhood. Pet Kingdom sells a wide range of products, includes animal feeds range from 1 kg to 30 kg, animal accessory, cages, vitamins, and so on. Okay, next is price. Based on the price, Pet Kingdom is significantly less expensive than competitors. The price offer started from 3 ringgit only for a packet of cat food and fish food. The price changed according to the kilogram of food, but it is still cheap. Meanwhile, the price of the cage giverage from Rm 70 ringgit to Rm 100 ringgit depending on the size. The prices is low in comparison to the price offered by competitors. Next is about place or distribution. The meaning of place, or more common name, distribution, is about how a business gets its product to the customer. Pet Kingdom's distribution approach for customer to continue product is a through walk-in or online purchase. Customer will return to the store to complete their purchase are typically those who will purchase pet food. This is an exclusive from Pet Kingdom. Some clients choose to buy online since it allows them to be home on time. Customers like this typical purchase cage, animal accessories, and supplement. They also prefer to buy through sales agents. Customer will choose to engage with a trustworthy and registered sales agent since the goods purchase is safer than a transaction on Shopee. Next is a promotion strategy. Pet Kingdom promotion method to outperform competition is to frequently run contests for loyal customer and social media followers to win various animal accessory or animal nutrients. Pet Kingdom contests attempt to advertise their new product or another one. A contest to buy pet food at this 5 kg. For example, we have chance to win a specific prize. And also, they need to publish in video on social media with pets consuming food sold at Pet Kingdom with the mention of Pet Kingdoms on Instagram. Okay, lastly is about the company add value that can increase their customer loyalty and patronage. So, the firstly is customer-friendly employees. At the shop, they have several employees who will always serve customer and are ready to help customer if they have any question regarding the product or there are products that need to be lifted on the car. Second is quality product. Pet Kingdom sell a high quality product with a well-known brand from reputable supplier. For example, Royal Canin, Frolic, and so on. Customers should not be hesitant to purchase the product supplied by Pet Kingdom because it is of very good quality product and will not disappoint the customer. Will continue to be confident and loyal to Pet Kingdom if they receive this level of quality. Thank you from me.
As a conclusion, Pet Kingdom is easily accessible to most people around the Tawau area. With a large network, as 65% of households now own pets. Ours usually accommodate busy pet owners who need to pick up products after work. In addition, more and more online pet supply delivery retailers have taken advantage of pet owners' desire for convenience by allowing customers to simply click a few buttons and get the necessary products brought to their doorstep. This online purchase method is also adopted by Pet Kingdoms. Pet Kingdom feels that their business will be successful and will be able to meet the needs of customers and provide them with 100% satisfied service. A fragrant business name is the target of Pet Kingdom to be known to more customers. Pet Kingdom will do its best to make this business successful. That's all from me and thank you.